at first I did not really expect to learn this much.
I found the program quite useful if I'm in year 1 cause how to search for their information or text or journal for their assignment and tasks.
Relevant to my course.
This will equip students with a lot of knowledge outside of what their discipline.
It covers several things that is so important, like copyright stuff.
Definitely benefit students in NTU, and they can implement this in their daily life later on.
The interactive activities in the e-learning, which is some of them is Q&A question.
It was more fun with the visual design and everything. The online activities were very entertaining. Every part was different.
You can do it at home. You don't really have to come to school.
Timing of this e-learning is not that draggy or long, so I think it's a simple way to understand.
Get ready!
Quite cute.
I love IMIL because the robot was very interactive and it was very fun to see him in a different context and the different gameplay.
You know, he's responding to you. It's not just a robot, just a picture there. He's something alive.
I just wish that this course becomes a success, and I hope that a lot of people are going to take this course.